one another today. Hey, it's all about us, man. Let's be great today. Bangs on me, bangs on 3, 1, 2, 3. Hey, we back. We back. You know how we do it. Let me get some of that. Hold on. No, don't try to hold it. Let me get some of that. Hey! Little hands. Hey. At the same time. Come on. Get one, near you. Let me get one. In my moment. You doing all that? Well, you knew him. Show me. Where you going? Huh? Yep. I told you. Yeah. I told you, boy. I told you. You got the one man set up. Yeah. Hey, whoop they on the outside. Bro, I ain't playing. I'm not playing with that, boy.
Bengals trying to convert. Burrow pats the ball, throws. Nicely done on the sideline. It is Yossi Vosh.
Yeah. Let go. Yeah.
Burrow. Open man, Jamar Chase.
Hey, Jamar, oh my God. Hey, boom. Oh my Lord.
Turns left, gives it to Moss, right up the middle. Touchdown!
Yeah, baby.
Bengals! Zach Moss for his first Bengals touchdown.
Hey, it's time. It's our turn. Let's go get it. 3 and out. You tired? A double knot? Thank you. Let me tell you something. Listen. Hey, your game. Simple as that. We here together, boy. We here together, boy. I promise you.
They're down and 8. Brissett throws off the hands of Osborne.
Hey! Come on. Let's go. Come on. You know what time it is.
Oh, you the fan.
I told y'all. You forgot that.
You did not tell me.
Hey, I wish I could get a ball. I'm ready to check the whole day. Let me get that jersey.